I'm here at my double waterfront listing in Jupiter, Florida. And although this house behind me is a teardown, I'm going to show you what your views could look like with a brand new 2-story home on this lot. This waterfront lot not only has a tremendous building potential, but it also has a brand new 2020 seawall that I'm standing on and ready for you and your custom dream home to be built right here. If you want to live on the water in one of the most beautiful locations in the entire world and have a custom dream home, this lot is the perfect canvas to accomplish that goal. Make sure you give me a call as soon as possible to schedule your private showing.